We're at Le Mans and we're going to barbecue because the weather is beautiful. I'm going to get John to set this up because we're using the big gas bottle. But before I hand it over to John, I can just take it out very quickly off its bag. Take its protective neoprene wetsuit off. And it's over to you.
Massive bratwurst there, and as you can see, our little barbecue has almost the same grilling area as this big one. It's quite impressive, isn't it? So we're going to be barbecuing all of this food. Let's get going. Halloumi is ready. A few more bits on the veggie side going. Meat side's still got a way to go yet. Yeah, Rohit has got veggie overload there. Cheers everybody! Thank Heinz as well, he's done the main work.
Oh, no, we're on Leicester. I'm supporting Leicester. It is a massive piece. Cheers.
Cheers.